doesn't come to you, you have got it to go to it. I'm repeating this once. Remind us all again and again that success doesn't come to you, you have to get it and go to it. We all are human beings. We can change, we can fulfill our dreams. You all are students, you can fulfill our dreams and each and everything because we are human beings. If I take an example of a student, if any students want to study and achieve their success, dreams, he or she can achieve by practicing. If he or she is needed. Secondly, in any circumstances, he wants to study, he will study. And those who want to give a better command to their reading, writing, speaking, no one can stop you if you want it. No one can stop you while doing for yourself. And you are responsible for your own life. You can change your own life by don't give up. At the last but not the least, I want to say here, always ready to accept your demerits and start working for that. Never get upset because of your demerits. Everyone has with demerits. Everyone has some issues with their life, but always we should overcome and fight against that and do practice whatever we want to do and achieve our success. Then we will call ourselves as a successful person.